So in this video we're going to look at nested shortcodes. So nested shortcodes is if you want to do a lot of different additions or different conditions inside of the text. Again, you can use the visibility section, and you can add loads of different ones. So you can keep adding and adding and adding different visibility conditions based on what you want. However, the GV logic shortcode also has this functionality. So if you can see in this one, we can use the GV logic shortcode, and we're looking at the calcium magnesium ratio, seeing if it's greater than 6.67, and then we're adding another one here, so we're using GV logic 2, and we're also checking whether the symptoms list fractures is ticked as fractures, and then we add our text in here. So we can also go a step further where we can use quite a lot of different GV logic shortcodes. So in this particular example we're going up to 5 nested logic shortcodes. So this particular one is looking at a calcium magnesium ratio forward flip. So this basically checks the calcium magnesium ratio is less than 8. This checks if the percentage of the calcium magnesium ratio based on the previous retest is greater than 100%, and then it checks whether the calcium magnesium ratio is greater than 6.59, and then it checks whether the calcium magnesium previous ratio is less than 6.66, and it checks whether it's a retest. So we've got 5 different logics here which will show up this text. So again, you could just actually add all of this information into this conditional logic, but like I talked about on the previous video, sometimes you don't want to create loads and loads of different fields. Sometimes you just want to create a lot of different text within the same field, just so you've not got hundreds of different fields all at once. And to do that, you can utilize the GV logic shortcode. So this one here is showing a pseudo calcium magnesium inversion, and this shortcode checks 3 different parameters to see whether it's true, and if it's true it will actually show this text. So that's everything for this video. I'll move on to the next.